Hello children and welcome to your channel Sharda Educare, and in this video we will be learning to solve the simultaneous equations graphically. Let's begin with this children. The first example you can see on the board, we have to draw graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4. Let's see the equation first children. The equation is 2x minus y is equal to 4. See, x variable has 2 and y variable has 1. So, it will be easy if I will shift y variable this side and the number this side. Then I can assume x. I will be able to assume x values and get the value for y. So, for that I will be shifting y this side. See, pay attention children. I know some of the children find it very difficult for shifting the number. See what I am doing, I am shifting y this side and shifting 4 this side. So what will happen when I shift? See, my 2x will remain here only 4 will come this side, sign of 4 is plus. So it will come this side, it will become minus, and sign of y is minus, it will come this side, it will become plus. So now I can assume x values to get the value of y. So my equation is now 2x minus 4 is equal to y. So let me place the value. First I will be writing here x, here y, and here x comma y, that is coordinate. So I am assuming x as 0, 1, 2 and 3. So first is 0. So what will I write when x is equal to 0? When x is 0, what will be your y value? So now see children, I will be writing the equation, this equation 2x minus 4 is equal to y. So my value of x is 0. So here in this place I will be writing 0 in place of x. So I will write 2 into x is there na here. So x is what? 0 minus 4 is equal to y. I am looking this and I am writing, okay. 2 into 0 is 0, then minus, then 4, then equal to y. So 0 has no value. So minus 4 is equal to y. So my y value is minus 4 when I place x as 0. Okay, minus 4. So my coordinate will be 0 comma minus 4. Now I will go for the another value, that is when x is equal to 1. So I will write here when x is equal to 1. What will be the value of y? My equation is 2x minus 4 is equal to y. Write 2x minus 4 is equal to y, and x value is how much? 1. So 2 into, now x is how much? 1. So I'll write 1. Then minus, then 4 is equal to y. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 4 is equal to y. Now see, sign of 2 is plus children. If nothing is there, that means it is plus. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, we will be doing subtraction, and 4 minus 2 will be 2. But which sign will come? Sign of the greater number. 4 is greater than 2 and sign of 4 is minus. So I will place here minus is equal to y. So y value when x is 1. When x is 1, y value is minus 2. I will write here minus 2. So you get here 1 comma minus 2. Now third equation, third value of x is 2. So when x is 2, when x is 2, when x is 2, what will be your y value? So my equation is 2x minus 4 is equal to y, and here these two are multiplied. So 2 into x, x is how much? 2 minus 4 is equal to y. 2 2s are 4, then minus, then 4 is equal to y. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So y value is 0. So when x is 2, y is 0. We got 0 here, and we got the coordinate as 2 comma 0. Now the next coordinate assumed of x as 3. So when x is 3, when x is equal to 3, so my equation is 2x minus 4 is equal to y, and x value is how much? 3. So 2 into 3 minus 4 is equal to y, and 2 into 3 6 minus 4 is equal to y. 6 minus 4 is 2 is equal to y. So we get y value as 2 when x is 3. So your coordinate will be 3 comma 2. Now let's check. When I assumed x as 0, my y value is minus 4. When I assume x as 1, my y value is minus 2. When I assume x as 2, my y value is 0, 2, 0. Always this number will be x and this will be y. This is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate. Then when I assumed x as 3, my y was 2. So this is x and this is y. Now let's plot it on the graph, children. I'll be plotting all these coordinates on the original graph paper with the pencil. So you know exactly how to plot it. Let's begin with that. Children, to draw the graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4, this is the graph. This is known as y-axis and horizontal line is known as x-axis. This is x, x dash, and this is y and y dash. The first coordinate for 2x minus y is equal to 4 is 0 comma minus 4. So 0 on what? X axis. See 0 comma minus 4, children. So 0 on x axis, this is x axis, 0 on x axis, and minus 4 on y axis. So this is y axis, children. So how we will be moving? We will be moving down, minus 1, minus 2. From 0 we will be moving minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So this is your coordinate here. Circle it and write here 0 comma minus 4. Next coordinate is 1 comma minus 2. So 1 on x axis, children. 1 comma minus 2 means 1 on x axis and minus 2 step on y. From 1 you will go down. Because it is minus, so you will come down. 1 from 1, minus 1, minus 2. So this is your point, children. 1 comma minus 2. Now third is 2 comma 0. So 2 on x axis and 0 on y. So you will not move up or you will not move down, you will remain here only. That is 2 comma 0. Next one is 3 comma 2. So 3 on x axis and 2 on y. So move 3 on x axis and 2 on y axis. 1, 2. So here is your coordinate 3 comma minus 2. Sorry, 3 comma plus 2. Now take the scale, children, and place it on the paper and see that all your points come in order in one line. Be very careful. One point, 2 point, 3 point and 4th point. So cover entire graph by drawing a line with the pencil. Draw an arrow both the side and write the equation of the line on the line. The equation is 2x minus y is equal to 4, and this complete our graph. The scale for the graph should be chosen as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. This is very important to write. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Both axes means x and y axis, and this complete your graphical representation of 2x minus y is equal to 4. Here children, you can see y is equal to 2 is given. Y is equal to 2 is given, which can also be written with the 2 variable, as we are learning simultaneous equation. So there will be 2 variable, but here only 1 variable is mentioned, but we can still add another variable, that is 0 into x plus y is equal to 2, and the graph of this line will be always coming to parallel axis, and that we will be drawing and seeing it how it will come to the parallel axis by placing the value of x. Y will be always 2, this is x and this is y. We will always get the value of y as 2. We will see it how to get that x y coordinate. Our equation is 0 into x plus y is equal to 2, and we will be placing the value of x, any value you can place as you wish. Say I place 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. So what will be my value of y? When x is 1, when x is equal to 1, I will place the value here. It is 0 into x is there, x means 1 plus y is equal to 2. 0 into 1 will be 0 plus y which is equal to 2. So y will be equal to 2 only. We got y as 2 when x is 1. So your coordinate is 1, 2. When x is 2, what will be our value? Second equation is, second values of x are, x is 2. So when x is 2, what will be my value? My equation is 0x plus y is equal to 2. So in place of x I will place 2. So 0 into 2 plus y is equal to 2, and 0 into 2 is always 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0, plus y is equal to 2. Therefore y we got as 2. See, again we got the value of y as 2. So my coordinate are 2, 2. Third, when x is given as 3, so when x is 3, x is equal to 3. My equation is 0 into x plus y is equal to 2. So 0 into x value is 3 plus y is equal to 2. 0 multiplied by 3 will be 0 plus y is equal to 2. So y we will be getting as 2, again 2. So now your coordinate are 3, 2. When x is 4, if I take x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, my equation is 0x plus y is equal to 2. 0 into 4 plus y is equal to 2. 0 multiplied by 4 will be 0. So you will get here 0 plus y is equal to 2. Finally y is equal to 2. Again you got the value as 2. So coordinate is 4, 2. So when x is 1, y is 2. So every time you will see children here, every time we are getting the same value, and when we will plot the graph of this equation, which is y is equal to 2, then we will be getting that line parallel to x axis, because y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2, so we will get the line parallel to x axis. Yes, parallel to x axis. Let's plot the graph and see how it is coming parallel to x axis. Let's plot the graph of y is equal to 2 children, and the coordinates are given here children. For y is equal to 2, first coordinate is 1, 2, 1 on x axis children and 2 on y axis. So I will be moving 2 step up, that is here, and I will label it 1, 2. Next is 2, 2. So 2 on x axis and 2 on y axis, and this is my point. Let me rub this. This is 1, 2, and this one is 2, 2. Now the next point is 3, 2. 3 on x axis and 2 on y axis. This is your point. 3 on x axis and 2 on y axis. And the last one is 4, 2 from x axis, on x axis 4 and on y axis 2. So this is your coordinate 4, 2. Now I will take the scale children and I will draw the line which covers the entire graph. And this is your required line. Right here y is equal to 2. Now next line is x is equal to 2. As the equation is x is equal to 2, we will be assuming y as 1, 2, minus 2 or minus 1, and we will look for the x value. We will always get x value as 2. Let's see it. So the first value when y is equal to 1, when y value is 1. To get x value, take the equation x plus 0 into y is equal to 2. When y is 1, place the value here of y. X plus 0 into 1 is equal to 2. 0 multiplied by 1 will be 0. X plus 0 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So we got 2, and your equation will be, your coordinate will be 2, 1. So when y is equal to 2, so values are given when y is equal to 2. What will be your x value? Your equation is x plus 0y is equal to 2. So y is 2, x plus 0 into y, 2 is 2 is equal to 2. So x plus 0 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 again. So your coordinates are 2, 2. When x is equal to, when y is equal to minus 2. So when y is equal to minus 2, your equation is x plus 0y is equal to 2. So I will write y value here, x plus 0 into minus 2 is equal to 2. x plus 0 is equal to 2. 0 multiplied by minus 2 will be 0. So x is equal to 2 again. Again we got 2 value. So your coordinate is 2 this comma minus 2. Now fourth values are when y is equal to minus 1. So when y is equal to minus 1. So what will be your x value? Your equation is x plus 0y is equal to 2. Place the value here. X plus 0 into y value is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 2. So x plus 0 into minus 1 is 0 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2. And see, since y variable was not there, y coefficient is 0, therefore we got all the values as 2 only. And this we will be now plotting in the graph and seeing the line will be coming parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Let's see children. Let me write this coordinate. The x value is 2 and here 2 comma minus 1. Let's start to plot it. So the coordinates for x is equal to 2 are 2 comma 1, 2 on x axis and 1 on y axis. So here is your point. From 2 you will move one step up. So 2 comma 1. Then 2 comma 2, 2 on x axis and 2 on y axis. This is the same point here we got earlier also for y is equal to 2. Next one is 2 comma minus 2, 2 on x axis, then minus 2 down here. So this is your coordinate because minus 2 is here. So 2 comma minus 2. Next one is 2 comma minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1 is over here. 2 comma minus 1. Now take the scale and join all those points. Draw the line so that it covers the entire graph. Give an arrow on both the sides. Yes, here. And write here x is equal to 2. This line is x is equal to 2 and this line is y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 means on 2 the line is here, 2 unit, and x is equal to 2 means 1 2 on 2 the line is, and x is equal to 2 is parallel to y axis. Y is equal to 2 is parallel to x axis. Now in this example we will draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 2. Let's see. This is your x and this is y coordinate and this is xy coordinate point. Let's take the equation x plus y is equal to 4. Now I will be assuming both variables x and y variable coefficient is 1. So any one I can assume. Let me assume x as 1. So x, let me assume x coordinate. It is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So when x is equal to 0, I will write when x is equal to 0 and I will place the value of x in this equation. So therefore I will be writing the equation x plus y is equal to 4 and in place of x I will be writing 0. So 0 plus this y is equal to 4. So y we got as 4 and your coordinate is 0 comma 4. Now when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, so write the equation x plus y is equal to 0. Then in place of x you will write 1 plus y is equal to 0, not 0, sorry, 4 it is. It is not 0, it is 4 here. 4 and 4. 1 will shift this side. So y is equal to 4 minus 1. So y is equal to 3. So your coordinate is 1, 3. And when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, your equation is x plus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 4. So in place of x you will write 2, then plus, then y is equal to 4. Now this 2 will come here, and so y will be equal to 4 minus 2. So y is equal to, your coordinate will be 2, 2. So when x is 3, so when x is equal to 3, so x plus y is equal to 4. Our equation is x plus y is equal to 4. In place of x, children, I will write 3. 3 plus y is equal to 4. 3 will come here and get subtracted. So what value of y we will get? So we will get y is equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, because 3 I shifted that side, it will become minus. So y is equal to 1, and your coordinate are 3, 1. Always x will be here and y will be here. X coordinate will come first. This is x and this is y. Now my second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2. 2x minus y is equal to 2. Let me take x coordinate, this is y coordinate, x and y. So we have to assume, take any number 1, 2, 3 or 4, x. See, I will be shifting here, I will be taking this y this side and I will bring this 2 here, okay. So what will happen, see. 2x minus 2 is equal to y. Y is minus, when it went this side it will become plus. 2 is plus, when it came here it will become minus. Clear? Now place the values. Let's begin. First one is when x is equal to 1. So in place of x we will be placing 1. So your equation will be 2 into x value is 1, then minus 2 is equal to y. 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2 is equal to y, and therefore 2 minus 2 is 0. So y is equal to 0. So when x is 1, y will be 0. So 1, 0. Now second one is when x is 2. So if x is 2, what will be your y value? 2 into, what is this, x, and x is what, 2 we have assumed. So write 2 minus 2 is equal to y. The same equation I wrote, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 is equal to y. So y is equal to 2, children. So we got 2. So when x is 2, y will be 2, and your coordinate will be 2, 2. Now let's see for third one. When x is 3. So when x is equal to 3, what will be your y value? Your equation is 2x minus 2 is equal to y. X value is what, 3. 2 into 3 minus 2 is equal to y. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 is equal to y, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So here it is 4. So your coordinates are 3, 4. Now the last one is when x is equal to how much? 4. When x is 4, what will be your y value? Let me write the equation. The equation is 2x minus 2 is equal to y. 2 into 4, because x value is 4, 2 into 4 minus 2 is equal to y. So 2 4s are 8 minus 2 is equal to y. 8 minus 2 is 6. So we got 6, and your coordinate are 4, 6. You can pause. Let's plot it and observe the graph. Now for the graph of x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 2. First we will plot the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. This is your x axis, children, and this is your y axis. Scale should be taken. Scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. 1 centimeter is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Here also 1 unit. 1 means this is 1 centimeter, which is equal to how much? 1 unit. It's very important to write down scale of the graph on both the axes. First we will plot the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. The coordinates are given, children. You can see 0, 4. 0 on x axis, and I am moving 4 step on y axis from 0. Now I kept my pencil on 0 and I am going to move 4 step on y from 0. Okay. So as it is plus 4, so I will be moving plus 4 up here. So this is my point. This is 0, 4. Next one is 1, 3. 1 on x axis and 3 step on y axis here in the same line of 1. So 1, 3. Next one is 2, 2. So 2 on x axis and 2 step on y axis, that is 2, 2. Then 3, 1. 3 on x axis and 1 step on y axis in the same line, that is 3, 2. And we have to observe after drawing the graph of these two lines. First line I am drawing, see, you have to make sure that all the points lie in one line. Plot the graph, draw the line with the scale. And write the equation of the line here. The equation of the line is x plus y is equal to 4. After plotting the points, join the points with the help of the scale. Now we will draw the graph of 2x minus y is equal to 2. For plotting the graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4, first coordinate is 1, 0. So 1 on x axis and 0 on y axis. So this is my point. Now second point is 2, 2. So 2 on x axis and 2 step on y axis, the same point. Okay, children. Now the third point is 3, 4. So 3 on x axis and 4 step on y axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my coordinate. 3, 4. Then last point is 4, 6. 4 and 6 steps on y axis. Plus 6 is there. So I will move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my coordinate. 4, 6. See, this is plus, children, and this is minus. See, since 6 is plus, so I will move up. Clear? Now my points are which one? This, and this. I will as both the line are intersecting at point 2, so 2 comma 2 is the intersecting point where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 satisfy the equation, satisfies the both equations, satisfy both the equations. Which both the equation? X plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 2. And how do it satisfies? Means if I will place the value of 2x minus of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 in the equation, I will get the answer 4. See, let me do it. Suppose I place in this equation x plus y, and how much I get? X is how much? 2, 2 plus y is how much? 2. So, how much I got? I got 4. So, it satisfies the equation. Okay. Now, we have to solve the equation graphically. X minus y is equal to 1. Let us write here x value, y value and x comma y coordinate. So, let us take any one of the value. Say if I am taking x 0, 1, 2 and 3, what will be my y value? Let me write x minus y is equal to 1. So, when x is 1, when x is 0, so when x is 0, place the value here children in place of x, 0, then this minus, then this y is equal to 1, and now minus y is equal to 1, this minus will shift here. So, what will be your y value? Y will be minus 1 and your coordinate will be 0 comma minus 1. So, when x is equal to what? 1. So, when x is equal to 1, when I write the equation, see my x is 1. So, I will write 1, then this is minus 1 minus y is equal to 1. Now, y 1 is going to come here. So, minus y is equal to 1 minus, because 1 is what? My plus, so it will come here, y, it will become minus. So, y value will be how much? It is minus y equal to 0, but minus y equal to 0 means y is equal to 0. So, we will get y is equal to 0 and your coordinate will be 1 comma 0. Now, next one is when x is equal to 2, your equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So, I will be placing the value of x in place of x. This is 2, x is 2 na, then minus y is equal to 1. I will shift this here. So, minus y is equal to 1. This sign is plus, it will come here minus. So, minus y is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1, because 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So, they will be subtracted. Now, both are minus. So, minus and minus will cancel. So, what will be your y? Your y will be equal to 1. Your coordinate will be 2 comma 1. Last one, when x is equal to 3. So, when x is equal to 3, let me write it here. When x is equal to 3, place it in the equation. So, x minus y is equal to 1 and x is 3. 3 minus y is equal to 1. See, when x is there, in place of x I am writing 3. In place of minus I am writing minus. In place of y I am writing y. Okay. Now, I am going to shift 3 that side. Children, this 3 will come this side. Okay. And what will happen to that? minus y is equal to 1. This is 1 here, 3 is coming here, it will be minus 3. So minus y will be equal to minus 2. 1 minus 3, 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus and minus get cancelled, sorry here, minus and minus get cancelled, and y will be equal to 2. So you will get y is equal to 2. So your coordinates are 3, 2. So these are the coordinate for x minus y is equal to 1. Children, this one is a activity which is given in your textbook. Here instead of 2, we have to take minus 2. So when I am taking minus 2, what will be my y coordinate? So only just say we have to change sign minus 2 when x is minus 2, and I will shift it here, it will be plus 2. So minus y will be minus y will be 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3. Okay, it will be 3, and therefore minus y will be equal to minus y is equal to 3, therefore y will be equal to minus 3. It will be minus 3. This minus sign will change, shift here. So y will be equal to minus 3. So instead of 1, we should have here minus 3. So your coordinate will be 2, minus 2, comma minus 3. Okay. Now here for this equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 1, 2, 8, minus 2, minus 4 are already given. Let's place the value in the equation. Our equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. So x value is 2. So when x is given as 2, place the value in the equation. Let's do it. 5 into 2 minus 3y is equal to 1. 5 2s are 10, minus 3y is equal to 1. Now 10 I will be shifting here. So it will be minus 3y equal to 1. 10 is plus, it will become minus 10. Now minus 3y is equal to 1 minus 10 is minus 9. See, 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So it will be subtracted, it will be minus 9. And you see here both sign are minus, so minus and minus get cancelled, and y will be equal to 3y will be equal to 9, and 3 will come down. So in the next step y is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So when x is 2, y is 3. So your coordinate are 2, 3. Now in second it is given y is equal to 8. So when y is given 8, let us write when y is equal to 8. When y is equal to 8. Write the equation. The equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. So 5x minus 3 into y. Y is how much? 8 is equal to 1. 5x minus 3 8s are 24 is equal to 1. Now this 24 is going to shift here, and your equation will be 5x equal to 1 plus 24. So 5x is equal to 25, and 5 and x are multiplied, so x is equal to 25. upon 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So you got x as 5. So your coordinate are 5 comma 8. Now I want to find out the value of x when y is minus 2. Let me rub this side, children. Okay, what is it when y is minus 2? So when y is equal to minus 2, so when y is minus 2, what will be my x value? So my equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. In place of y, I will be placing the value of y. So 5x minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 1. 5x minus into minus will become plus. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 1. So 5x, 6 will come this side and it will be subtracted, equal to 1 minus 6. 5x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 upon 5. 5 5 get cancelled, 1. So you will be getting minus 1. So when x is minus 1, y is minus 2. Here it is given x has minus 4 to take. So let's take that, draw the line. So when x is equal to minus 4, okay, yeah, x is equal to minus 4. My equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. So in place of x I will be writing minus 4. So 5 into minus 4 minus 3y is equal to 1. 5 4s are 20, that is minus 20, minus 3y is equal to 1. My minus 20 will come this side and will become plus. So it will be minus 3y equal to 1 plus 20. So minus 3y is equal to 21. So y is equal to 21 upon minus 3. 3 7s are. So y is equal to minus 7. So your coordinate are minus 4 comma minus 7. You can pause and you can solve the sum, children. Now we will plot them on the graph and see and observe the graph. So for the graph, x minus y is equal to 1. The coordinate are given here, children, 0 minus 1, 0 on x axis and minus 1 on y axis. So minus is where? Below x axis. So I will move one step here. So 0 comma minus 1. This is my point. Next point is 1 comma 0. So 1 0 on y axis means I will not move up, I will not move down, I will remain here only. That is 0 comma 1. Next point is 2 comma 1. 2 on x axis and 1 step on y axis. 1 is plus, children. So I will move here up. So 2 comma 1. Next one is 3 comma 2. 3 on x axis and 2 on y axis. So plus 2 is there, therefore I will move up 1 and 2 here. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. And now I will join the points with the help of scale. All the points should be in one line, children. See my scale. I hope you can visualize it in the camera. I am placing the scale in one line of the points and draw the graph, draw the line. After drawing, put the arrow on both the sides and write the equation x minus y is equal to 1. Next line is 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. So, for 5x minus 3y is equal to 1, first coordinate is 2, 3 children. 2 on x axis and plus 3 on y axis. So, plus 3 means I will move up 3 steps. So, from 2 I will move 1, 2, 3. So, this is my first point, that is 2, 3. 2, 3. Next point is 5, 8. So, 5 on x axis and 8 on y axis. So, from 5 I will go on plus 8 up, not down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my coordinate children, that is 5, 8. Next one is minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 on x axis children and minus 2 is there down. Minus 2 on y axis means I will move down, not up. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 on y axis. This is my point. Next point is minus 4, minus 7. Minus 4, minus 7, move down because it is minus 7. From minus 7 I will be moving minus 7 step down. So, minus 4 and now I will move here minus 7. This is my minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. This is my minus 7. Now, I will take the scale children and I will be now drawing a line for 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Give arrow on both the side and write the equation of the line 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Now, these two lines are intersecting each other at this point. So, we have to write down that line x minus y is equal to 1 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 1 intersect each other at point this point. This is minus 1 minus 2. See, minus 1 on x axis and minus 2 on y axis. Minus 1 minus 2 where x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2 satisfies the equation, satisfies both equations. And let us check it children whether it satisfies or not. If I place the value here in x minus y, my equation is x minus y is equal to 1 and my x is minus 1, y is minus 2 minus 2. Let me check, minus 1 minus minus will become plus 2 which is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So, it satisfies. This is only just for checking whether it satisfies or not. Okay. So, this equation we solved graphically. Now, let us see how how we can solve it by elimination method. Our equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is my second equation and this is my first equation. X minus y is equal to 1. Yes, this is my first equation. Now when I compare the coefficients of x, the coefficient of x is here 1 and here 5, not same. Here the coefficient of y is 3 and here it is 1, means in this it is minus 3 and here it is minus 1, which is again not same. So what I need to do, I need to make their coefficient same. If I can make their coefficient same, I can eliminate one of the term and I can get the answer for another term. See, this is x variable and this is y variable. One of the variable can be eliminated. When it can be eliminated? When both in equation, both variable are same. So if here it is 3, here also it should be 3. How can I bring 3 here? How can I bring 3 here? I can bring 3 here only by multiplying. If I want 3 here, I can bring 3 here only when I multiply y by 3. But alone y variable cannot be multiplied. I need to multiply the entire equation by 3. Therefore, I will do what? Multiply equation 1 by 3. That step I must write. Multiplying equation 1 by 3. So what I am getting? The whole equation I will be multiplying. I will be getting here also 3 and 1 into 3 will become 1 into 3 will also become 3. That would be 3 here. So my equation 1 and 2 now, first equation is 3x minus 3y is equal to 3 after multiplying the equation by 3. Now I can operate these two equations. I can subtract equation 1 from 2. What I will do? I will subtracting equation 1 by 2, 1 from 2. So from 2 means 2 will be at the top. Okay, so I am subtracting it. 5x minus 3y is equal to 1, and this second equation 3x minus 3y is equal to 3. I am subtracting 1 from 2. This is my second equation, this is my first equation. Subtracting means my sign will change. This is minus, this one will be plus because here it is minus, here it is plus, so it will be minus here. And then what will I get? I will be getting 5x minus 3x as 2x, and this 2 both will get cancelled because now sign of this is minus and sign of this is plus. Opposite side and equal in magnitude, so they will cancel. Is equal to what? Is equal to 1 minus 3, see 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Sign of greater number, here I will get minus 2. So x will be what I am getting? 2x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 upon 2. This 2 will come down, children. 2 and 2 get cancelled, so x is equal to minus 1. Now what? I got x is equal to minus 1. I will be placing the value of x now in any one of the equation. Now what will be my statement? My statement will be placing value of x in equation. Let us place in 1. In 1. What is my first equation? X minus y is equal to 1. So when I place, what I get? See, x minus y is equal to 1. So when I am placing x as minus 1 minus y is equal to 1. Placing value means in place of x you will place the value of x, and x value is minus 1. Now this minus 1 will move this side. So minus y will be equal to 1 plus 1 minus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So you got the value of x and y by elimination method. X we got as minus 1 and y we got as minus 2. You can pause the video, children, and you can solve the sum.